Now you can see that we have created SQL demo, that is a database, and the server is Azure SQL DM. So that is the server in which this database is located. Now we need to connect this server to our local SQL environment. In this environment, so what we are going to do here, just copy this and go to the our SQL local SQL management studio. Now going to connect it, database engine, and just paste it, and you know the name of the login, that is SQL admin, and the password, we are going to pass our password here. Okay, now click on connect. Now whenever you are going to click connect your Azure SQL database to your SQL Server Management Studio, it is going to ask the account which is going to use it. Okay, now it is asking for the IP. That means this IP should be authenticated. I am going to click on OK button. It is going to be connect now. It is working. So you can see that our database, as Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, it is connected with our Azure SQL Server. Now if I am going to expand my databases, you can see that is our SQL demo database, and if I am going to expand it again, now you can see there is no table and nothing. It is blank database actually right now. So you can see how to connect, how to create a Azure SQL database on Azure server, and how can we connect this Azure SQL server with our local Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So it is very easy to create a database and connect it with our local SQL Server Management Studio. So for more videos on Azure SQL Server and Azure, please subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching us.